in this video I'm going to discuss about do statement in C#.NET. So what the do statement? So it executes a statement or a block of statements while a specified boolean expression evaluates true. And here about to do or while loops or do statements, so it execute one or more times. While we are using while loop, so it execute 0 or more times. So let's understand by example. So I am going to take integer type variable I that initialized with 1. Now here after let's use 0 and here console class dot write line method. So I am going to print I and hereafter I increase by 1. And let's write at here while and giving the condition 1 less than 5. Okay, let's give 4. Now if you execute this code, so at here getting the output 1, 2 and 3. Now hereafter I'm going to use next while loop. So at here going to take integer type variable I initialize with 1. Now hereafter while and here I less than 4 and hereafter console class dot or writeLine method and here printing the value of I and here I plus plus. Now let's comment that and execute. So and here getting the same output. So by using this code and by using this code I'm getting the same output. So let's understand the difference. Suppose if I give at here I less than 1. Now if you execute this code, so at here I'm not getting any output. Now hereafter the next is going to comment that part and going to uncomment this part and here giving the condition at here 1. Now execute that. So at here getting the output 1. So that means by using or do a statement, so it executes the loop one at a time. So add a integer I that initializes with 1. Hereafter do here console.writeLine. So this print I value. So I value add here 1 that print. Now hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Now hereafter while 2 less than 1. So this condition add here it's a false. So condition add here it's false. So when the condition is false, so this directly out. So first time that print the value, hereafter first time that execute the block, hereafter that if the condition is true then that continue on, and if the condition is false so that directly out from here. So while using this one, so at here in I will initialize to 1 and here while I less than equal to 1. So this condition at here false. And after if the condition is false, so this will not go inside. So this is the difference between do and do or do while loop and while loop in C#.NET. And here so there is a do here and you have to do code snippet for do while. So if you use add your do, so it code is snippet for do while loop. Press tab twice to insert the snippets. So tab we have to press 12 times. So see at here directly it's coming here. So this is the syntax here, do here block of a statement here while if the condition is true then that execute, if the condition is not true so it will not execute. So this is the things here. Now if you take right at here while, so code is snippets for while loop. Press tab for twice. Press tab twice. So see at here this is the syntax while true then block of a statement. So it must be true, then that go inside. If the condition is not true, then that not go inside. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.